also to Elmo. Big shout out. Thank you, guys. Slug. Oh, you're so nice to me. I will gonna make you my moderator. Okay? Because you're always watching my live streaming. What that means, you are my security. You are my security. If you don't like what they are texting to me, you can hide or you can delete their text, and you can put them in timeout if they just keep doing bad things. You are my protector. That's why if you can see there's a